Well, here we are back at John and Victoria's newest creation for the community. But tell us a little bit about what you did here.
Well, we were able to find an old house, completely finished the renovation, and that's our bakery that supports both this location and our island location.
Abundant Table.
Crocker's, the Well-Dressed Frank, and the Abundant Table.
Yep.
So the main name is Crocker's. So this is our Crocker's Cafe and Bakery. We also are open at 7:30 in the morning for breakfast and lunch until about 3 o'clock for now. Community library, my wife's idea.
And we got the city to do some bikes.
Yes. As you walk in from the street, there's two options: the disabled path over there from the sidewalk or our steps.
Come on in, you're in for a treat. Lots of them, actually.
So, of course, with support of our baking, we have a wonderful list of espresso drinks that we make. And I have to go and say that the city of Costa Mesa has been extremely helpful throughout the process. Great working relationship to get us open and balanced in this little tiny spot.
They are one of the best cities in Orange County to work with. And this guy would know because he also does his architectural consulting here over in our corner. If you're interested in getting architectural work.
Yeah, why not? Yeah. As we said earlier, one of the things we had to do was tear down some of the building to get our driveway. But one of the benefits of that is we were able to keep the existing garage. And as a result, all of our parking works out here in the back. And a little garden area to be able to sit down and experience a private zone on our property. Come with your friends, come and enjoy kind of a quiet garden environment away from the street.
This is my favorite part. John and Victoria's secret garden.
It's kind of your own backyard within our backyard.
I can see somebody getting on their knees in this little bark garden with all your little hearts.
One of the things that happens over there on Balboa Island, we do end up with people writing, "Will you marry me?" on a dollar bill, and it ends up being posted on the wall there.
Oh my
so
goodness.
Maybe this is the bridal
the next
event.
Step, yeah. Well, if you haven't been to Crocker's,
Yep.
Abundant Table, or the newest location here on 19th Street across from Mother's Market, you'll want to come and take a look.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's been my pleasure always to help you guys with what you're doing, and looking forward to our next transaction.
We'll get another one going sometime soon.